back to my channel. So this video we are continuing the 5th chapter, arithmetic progression. Here we are discussing how to find the sum of the terms of an arithmetic progression. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. How to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. So there is a formula to find the sum of the terms of an AP, which is S equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, we know d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. So how can we find the sum of the terms of an AP? That the formula is n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. Also we can find the, if we have given the last term of an AP, we can find the sum by using this another formula, which is S sum equals to n by 2 multiplied by a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. So we know what is the formula to find the last term of an AP, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So if the last term is given, we can place that a plus l, which is the last term, or we can place the formula which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find the last term of an AP. So if we know the last term of the AP, we know we can replace this part by just l, by last term. So what is the formula to find the sum, which is n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 multiplied by a plus l, which is a is the first term, d is the common difference, and l is the last term, and n is the number of terms. Let's see few examples. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, which is 8, 3 and minus 2. So first 22 terms of the AP. So we know the formula to find the sum is S equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum. Let's replace the values, where n equals to 22 and a equals to 8. Do we know the common difference? No. So we can find the common difference by subtracting the second term by first term. So that is 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. So the n is number of terms is 22, first term is 8, and the common difference is minus 5. Let's replace this in the formula, which is n by 2, that is 22 divided by 2 multiplied by 2a, which is 2 multiplied by 8 plus n minus 1, which is 22 minus 1 into d, which is minus 5. So that will be 11 into 16, 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, plus 22 minus 5 will give you 21, 21 times minus 5 will give you minus 105, which is equals to 11 multiplied by 16 minus 105 will give you 89. So 11 multiplied by 89, which is 9, 8, 1 9 9, 8, which is 9, 9, 7, 979. That is equal to 979. So this is the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, given AP 8, 3 and minus 2. Let's see another example. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. So we know the formula is S, to find the sum, S equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have given the sum. The sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050. So S equals to 1050. So that is 1050 equals to n by 2. N equals to 14 here, the first 14 terms. So n is 14, 14 divided by 2, and its first term is given as 10. So 2 multiplied by the first term is 10 plus n minus 1. N again we know, which is 14 minus 1, and we don't know the common difference here, right? We don't know the common difference. Now let's simplify this, which is 1050 equals to 14 by 2, which is 7, multiplied by 20 plus 14 plus 13d, correct? Which is 1050 50 equals to 7 into 20, which is 140, plus 13 times 7 will give you 7, 13, 91. 13 times 7 is 91D, which is equal to 91D equals to, we can write 1050 minus 140, correct? So 91D equals to 1050 minus 140 will give you 910. D is equal to 910 by 91, which is 10. D is equal to 10. We need to find the 20th term as well. So that is, to find the nth term, we know the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. We need to find the 20th term. So A is 10 and we need to find the 20th term. So n will be 20 minus 1 and D. D is also 10. So that will be equals to 10 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 10, that is 190, which is equals to 200. So the 20th term of this AP is 200. Let's see the next question. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78? So we need to find the n here, and we have given the AP, the first term is there, and we can find the common difference, and we have given the sum as well. So the formula is S equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So S is given as 78. 78 equals to n by 2. We don't know what is n by 2. But we know what is the first term, which is 2 multiplied by 24 plus n minus 1. We don't know the n. And common difference is, we can find the common difference, 21 minus 24 equals to minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. So that is 78 equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2 times 24 gives 48. 48 plus n minus 1 into, that is 48 minus 3n plus 3, correct? So that will be 78 equals to n by 2. 78 equals to n by 2 multiplied by 48 plus 3, which is 51. 51 minus 3n, correct? So we can take 2 to the other side. So that will be equals to 2 multiplied by 78 equals to, we can write, that is n multiplied by 51. We can remove the bracket. So that will be 51n minus 3n squared, correct? So that is 156 equals to 51n minus 3n squared. We can bring this to the other side. So that will be 3n squared minus 51n plus 156 equals to 0. So now we have got an equation. So which is 3n squared minus 51n 3n squared minus 51n plus 156 equals to 0. So we can, all these terms are divisible of 3. Let's divide this by 3 and make it very simple. So that will be divided by 3 and by 3 and divided by 3. So that will be n squared minus 17n plus 100, that will be 52 equals to 0. Now let's split the middle term. So that will be minus 17, and we can use 13 and 14. 13 times 4 will give you 52, and 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. So we can use 13 and 14. So that will be n and n minus 17 minus 4, and we can take n minus 17 equals to 0, correct? So that is n minus 4 multiplied by n minus 17 equals to 0. So n can be either 4 or 17. So the number of terms can be either 4 or 17. Here both of them are positive numbers. We can take either 4 or 17 is the number of terms of the given AP. Let's see the next question. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. So let's write the AP here. So the arithmetic progression will be the sum first of the 1000 positive integers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last term will be 1000. Now we know the first term and last term of this AP. So we can use the other formula, which is S equals to N by 2 multiplied by A plus L, which A is the first term and L is the last term. So that is N equals to 1000. Here N number of terms equals to 1000 divided by 2 multiplied by A equals to 1 plus 1000. L is the last term, which is 1000. So that is 1000 divided by 2, 500 multiplied by 1 plus 1000, 1001 will give you 500 multiplied by 1001 is 5,500. So this is the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. So we finished the chapter explanation here. Next video we will start the exercise for the same chapter. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching.